Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're about to share 5 legit product research methods for discovering profitable Aliexpress to eBay dropshipping products. So imagine this. Well, you don't have to imagine. Here's the real thing. This seller, INDV/70, pulled in over $13K in revenue just last month. Now, when you use Aliexpress as your supplier, you enjoy a profit margin of around 30%. That translates to approximately $3,900 in profit per month. And it's not just a dream, it's realistic and it's achievable. And we'll guide you through it. This is just one example of what's possible with the 5 strategies we are about to reveal from beginner to advanced sellers. So this particular seller makes over $40K in profit per year. Now, I ask you to picture yourself making at least this much per year. Comes in handy, don't you think? Let's address the doubts on hand. You might have heard skeptics dismiss Aliexpress as a dropshipping supplier, like slow shipping or bad customer service, but we're here to set the record straight. From competitive pricing to dropshipping-friendly policies and global shipping options, Aliexpress offers a universe of opportunities that still make it a great option for dropshippers. Now, it's time to get down to business. We're not just here to talk theory. We are here to provide 5 actionable hands-on product research strategies that you can implement immediately. So if you're ready, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey in finding winning products from Aliexpress. Let's begin. Let's break down the essentials for identifying a winning product. Demand. The first step is to ensure you're investing in products that people are actively buying. Demand is key. It's not just about what's desirable, but what's actually being purchased in the market. Remember, the market changes all the time, so we need to stay on top of recent trend changes and identify these best-selling products ahead of the competitors. We look for products that have been sold at least 2 times in the last 7 days, or 4 times in the last 14 days, or 8 times in the last 30 days. Competition. Consider who your competitors are. How seasoned are they? What are their selling prices and unique selling propositions? Look for products that have no more than 15 competitors. Profitability. Finally, we assess profitability. It's crucial to ensure that you can sell at an attractive price while maintaining a healthy profit margin. And we will get more into that part soon. Let's dive into a detailed walkthrough. I'll show you how to find products using ZIK, a comprehensive eBay market research software. And here's a little tip. You can start exploring ZIK for just $1 whenever you're ready to begin your product hunt. Unlike most other suppliers in Aliexpress, you can play with a 30% profit margin. Yes, some products might take longer to ship, but customers are willing to wait if they are offered a better price. Potential customers will be informed about product shipping times and can view their estimated shipping time on our product listings on eBay. By offering competitive prices, buyers are willing to wait a bit longer. Let me show you 5 ways to find winning products. You can find winning items by simply going over the products from the trending eBay product section on the Market Insights tool. Just make sure your seller settings are set correctly. I'm selling on eBay.com, my business model is dropshipping, and I'm sourcing from Aliexpress. Down here, we see the trending eBay products. So all these products are successful products to be listed. Here you see the amount of sales in the last 30 days. So all of these have more than 8 sales. So they all fit the criteria. Remember, we are also looking for a product with a maximum of 15 competitors. Let's pick this hat as an example. So you can check it out. You can see it's a nice profit margin, and you can actually just go ahead and click here to go to the supplier and double check if it's actually a good deal. And even then, it looks good. Even without the discount of $1.84 plus shipping to the US is free. Our profit will be around 30%. Remember that selling a product 50 cents cheaper than your competitor does the job. Once you validate it's a good deal, we save the product to a folder so we can use it for the next steps. You can click on the detective icon and scan the competitor. And once you do, you can check more information about the product, such as the number of competitors. And wow, you can see this product has 0 competitors, so this product fits the criteria. Let's move on to strategy number 2, which is competitor research. So, do you think this is pretty cool? I do. The second strategy is actually quite similar. You can also do the same process going over the sellers. You can click on the detective icon, then you see all of their stats. Remember that you can click on the detective icon anywhere you see it on ZIK, such as the trending eBay products, and do the same.
Then you can use the filters like this to place numbers for the criteria. 8 sales in 30 days, for example.
And then you can go ahead and click the item finder on interesting products and so on. Now, there are a few other ways to do competitor research. For example, once you are on eBay, you can simply copy the seller's name and place it into ZIK's product research. From there, you will see the stats of the seller and their winning products. If we reach 250 likes in this video, I will share a list of 80 winning products from Aliexpress that are actually ready to be listed to your store. So make sure you smash the like button. Now let's move on to strategy number 3, seasonal trends. Strategy 3 is all about using ZIK's e-commerce calendar. If you sell seasonal products, this calendar helps you find what sells best during holidays. To stay ahead, list your products at least 2 months before the holiday. So for example, start listing Christmas items in October, not December. You will see that you can move between months and see the different holidays. And when you look at the calendar itself, you can see that there is this icon. So every icon is actually a different event. So we can see here that soon we have Mother's Day, and below here, we can see the training keywords for Independent Days. These are the keywords that ZIK Analytics has been researching, analyzing, and preparing this list for you. So now all you have to do is click the button and analyze it. So for example, if I click here and analyze Mother's Day necklace, it will automatically open this on the product research tool of ZIK Analytics and will allow you into the statistics of this keyword in Aliexpress. And then from here, you can actually just go ahead and look for winning products. Once you find an opportunity, go to Aliexpress and source similar products. Now, before choosing a product to list on the eBay store, it's important to review the product rating and feedback of the supplier on Aliexpress. Because we can find more than one supplier for the same or similar item, our goal is to source products with good product reviews and high ratings. Another thing we need to check is the Aliexpress seller itself and choose those who have a good reputation on Aliexpress. We can look for the detailed seller rating and check the following supplier ranks, such as item as described, communication, and shipping speed. Now, let's talk about strategy number 4, which is niche research. So first, you choose a product that has been selling. You can pick one from the eBay trending products or simply a winning product from a competitor. So let's scan a competitor, like seller INDV/70. Let's pick one of the winning products, like this hair straightener. It has 6 sales in the last 30 days. Click on the eBay listing, then copy the words that described this product. Then head to ZIK's product research tool and place the keywords there, but make sure settings are set correctly. Shipping from China, For example, once you see the results, filter by dropshippers only. So you see that there are 3, let's say, dropshippers that are successfully sold hair straighteners since it was last listed. Next step is to go to Aliexpress and type in the same keywords and look for similar products so you can bring something new, something different, but similar to the market. You can filter by lower prices first and see the options. So look at this product, for example. It's something interesting. It's a hair straightener, but it could be portable or with a cord, and you can buy it for $5.29. And it provides
Free fast shipping to the USA.
Remember that we want to work with a supplier on AliExpress that provides a shipping method with a tracking number. If they do provide a tracking number, make sure to select this option because they could offer shipping with no tracking number. We actually want a tracking number because the eBay account health will remain good and our customers will be able to track the packages at any moment. And we will reduce any questions regarding the package's location. You can find the AliExpress supplier shipping options by clicking on the shipping info. Of course, you can scroll more and take your time to do this because doing this niche research in AliExpress opens the possibilities of selling similar items on eBay that have shown demand. This way, you can take advantage of the market demand and have products that stand out. Now, let's talk about automation. So the 5th strategy is automation, and to do product research using AliExpress as your supplier. This way, you can find hundreds of items from AliExpress, filtering out our winning product criteria. So you go to Autopilot and click Start New Scan. Choose AliExpress as your supplier. Here, fill out the filters you see fit for your demand. Let's say you want products $20 to $30. For winning products, we need at least 4 sales in 14 days like this. So we know that there is demand. And then you can click Start Scan. The scan is completed, and here you have the products you can save to your folder. Now, let me give you a pro tip using Autopilot for Aliexpress. You can use it to find sellers and do competitor research based on that. Click the listing. It will open up on eBay. Once it opens up on eBay, you copy the store name and place it into ZIK's competitor research and see their winning titles. Remember, the goal of all the product research strategies I've shown you is to eventually create a list of successful dropshippers that use AliExpress as their supplier and snip their items and learn their strategies. Every time you find a good competitor, just click on the button Add to Watch List, write a comment, rate the competitor, and save. Our goal is to create a list of strong eBay sellers who dropship from AliExpress. How many sellers count as a good list, you might ask? To be honest, the more the merrier. With a strong seller list, we can spy on new rising products once a week and add them to our eBay store. By offering them at a slightly lower price, we can gradually capture sales for these items. Since the profit margin for AliExpress items is typically around 30%, the nice part is we can afford to slightly reduce the seller's price and still maintain a high profit margin when selling their winning products. This is the beauty of dropshipping from AliExpress. Then, to access your wish list, just go over to My Competitors on the left bar, and there you will see all of them. And there you have it, 5 legit product research methods for discovering profitable AliExpress to eBay dropshipping products. So, take what you've learned, put it in action, and watch your profits grow. See you next time.